Hi friends, happy Easter. Welcome back to my channel, You're with Nicole, and if you're new here, I share lots of delicious home-style recipes as well as baking tips and tricks. Today we're going to be making an Easter treat. We're going to be making chocolate egg nests. There's only 5 ingredients, they're super easy to make, absolutely delicious. You can make them ahead of time, you can get the family involved, and they look super cute as well. So let's get to it. Now, as everybody knows, at Easter time, there is just chocolate everywhere. And this recipe includes a lot of chocolate, so we are on the right track. We've got chocolate that's gonna go into the base with some coconut, and you might be surprised by one of the other ingredients. And then we've got these really cute little speckled eggs as well, which I'll show you in just a moment. So let's get chocolate crazy, and let me show you what you are gonna need. So I have chocolate here, and this is just regular milk chocolate. Just pick your favorite one from the grocery store. I also have some shredded coconut. This is actually some fried noodles here, which you might be surprised by. And then I've got some speckled eggs, and I've got a mix of big speckled eggs and little speckled eggs. They're super, super cute. And last but not least, a little bit of butter. You'll also need some spoons. I have a couple of fancy spoons here, a wooden spoon, and I've got a saucepan over there. You'll need a big pot, and that is to melt down the chocolate. And I've also lined a baking tray with some parchment paper. I forgot to mention that this is a no-bake recipe, so we're just gonna be melting the chocolate, combining the ingredients, and then building those little egg nests, and then letting it set in the refrigerator. So this is a really great recipe if maybe you're a little bit short on time, but you still wanna make something really super cute, because these ones, even though they're really quick and easy to make, they're absolutely delicious. Kids love them, and they look really great as well. We are going to head over to the stove now. You'll just need your chocolate and your butter and a wooden spoon. So grab those things, let's go. Okay, so I've just turned my stove here onto a low to a medium heat, and I've got a large saucepan here. I'm just gonna add in my butter first and let this melt down. And I just want it to coat the base of the saucepan. And I wanna do that because I'm going to add the chocolate in a minute. And I want the butter to coat the bottom so that it doesn't burn the chocolate. So now that that's coated the base here, I'm going to add my chocolate. And I'm just going to stir it, keeping an eye on it, making sure that it doesn't burn. Now you can also melt your chocolate over bain-marie, but I just find that this is the quickest and easiest way to get it done. Okay, I have just taken this off the heat. Don't want to overcook it, I just want it so that it's nice, melted, and workable. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add in here the noodles and the coconut. Straight in. And we're going to coat that all in this beautiful melted chocolate. If you can use a big pot or a big saucer as well, for your chocolate, it just helps because you can just add all the other ingredients to this one pot, so you don't have to melt the chocolate and then add it to another one. Just saves on washing up. Now grab your spoons here, and we're gonna spoon out this mix. Chocolate is always very messy. And like a true bird's nest, I like to keep them pretty rustic looking. So we're gonna spoon that out and make a little indent in the center if you can, so we can place our little eggs. You can also do these in cupcake or patty cake liners if you find some really cute ones and they fit in. Just fill them up and then put the little eggs on top. These actually look like little bird's nests, they're so cute. Okay, before the chocolate sets, let's go ahead and add some of these little speckled eggs. I love how cute they look. I love that speckle on them. Probably gonna go 1 big with 2 small. That looks cute. You can do whatever you like though. If you wanna go 2 big, 1 small, do that as well. Oh yeah, that looks really cute. So if you're wondering what speckled eggs are, they're the ones with the little bit of sugar coating around the outside and then chocolate in the center. think I should show you. Yum. How cute are they? They're absolutely so adorable. I think that these are so much fun to make around Easter time. I mean, like, look at them. How can you not like that? A little just nest of chocolate and eggs. Now, these are gonna go into the fridge. We're gonna let them set for about 30 minutes and then we're good to eat them. Okay, while our little egg nests are in the fridge and we're waiting for them to set, I found a really cute quote for you about Easter. The one that I found for you today is, Easter is the only time of year when it's safe to put all of your eggs in the one basket. That is a quote by Unknown. If you do know who did that quote, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. I couldn't find who said it, but I don't know about you, but around Easter time at my place, I don't think it is safe to put all your eggs in one basket. Even then, I have siblings, you know, they always get sneaky. They might steal one of your eggs if you're not careful. So I don't know. Maybe you can, maybe you can't. Let me know if you feel safe putting all of your eggs in the one basket. Now it's time to bring out the chocolate egg nest. Oh, they look so cute. Just check, yep, they've set. So find something nice to put them on and serve them on. They look adorable. Mix up the colors a little bit as well. Yeah. We have done all the hard work, so we get to try it first. I'm gonna try this little one here. Actually, this one here. Yum. Check it out. Delicious. So yeah, the chocolate just really coats all of those noodles and it just sticks together really well. You will have seen, like, even when I was just spooning it out, I wasn't trying to crush it all together because you don't have to worry too much. It kind of just all sticks together. And then we've got the little eggs on top. Mmm. Yum. Hot. This is good. The noodles are really surprising, but you kind of need them to balance out that really sweet chocolate. And the chocolate's so delicious. So it kind of tastes like a chocolate coconut ruff on the bottom with Easter eggs on top. You're not going anywhere. The crunch is so good, and so is that coconut and chocolate. It's all just a match made in heaven. I really hope that you love this Easter recipe, and I actually do have a hot cross buns recipe up on my channel as well. So I'll leave that in the description box below for you and up here as well. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I really hope that you have a lovely, happy Easter. It's a wonderful time of year. Spend time with your family and friends, relax, enjoy, and eat some chocolate. Get in the kitchen and make some things for your family and your friends. If you do like this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. It's a chocolate thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell as well because I do have a new video coming up every single week. Thanks again, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.